Hey, this is one of n8n automation project. Okay, so I will discuss end to end about this project. So this project basically, this is one of the client's eBay store, and in this basically client basically sell their products on eBay. So what actually the project was, we uh, we used to fetch all the items. Okay, let's say this item. So we used to fetch all the items price, um, items quantity, how much quantity is available. The quantity is the most important thing, so that order doesn't get cancelled. Let's say if he's selling some product, this one, but this is not available in this website, then how can they sell them? So we have to make sure that quantity is available. Okay, so we have to fetch the quantity, we have to fetch the price. Okay, so they have couple of websites from which they basically buy stuffs. Like this is one, this is Globe, this is also second. They also buy products from this website. Okay, and then they also have this website. Okay, and eventually they resell the products at this website on their eBay. So the goal was to scrape all those things. Okay, so for scraping, basically we have Python script, and then that Python script is deployed on EC2. Okay, that is the scraping part. So what scraping exactly does, it scrapes every day the quantity. It scrapes every day the quantity and the price, and then we actually calculate the final selling price. We have the client has his own like he has to have his own commissions, shipping charges. We add all those things, and then we calculate the selling price using this. Okay, so from these four websites we scrap all those things, and then we store all those data in our database. So for database, right now we are using Supabase, but we can use whatever database we want. Okay, so all those four websites we scrape data from. This is Newcraft, this is Globe, this is Easterns, and this is AIRR. So basically we scrap all those data from them, and then we what called we calculate the price, we calculate the we get the SKU, we do all those matching using the SKU. um, we get the price from their website, and then we calculate how at what cost we have to sell them. Okay, and we also do some market research. This is part where basically our one of our n8n workflow comes. Basically we do some research using AI on the internet, and we try to find out which of the if let's say demand is high and the market price is like people are ready to pay more for that product, then we will sell at more cost, not at the same cost. Let's say after adding all the commission we have to sell at this price, but people are ready to pay this much, then we will pay at this much, not at this much. So we do all those kind of research using this. Okay, so this is another thing. So for all the scrapping we use Python and Supabase, and then finally we have this much of workflows. Okay, we have this much of workflows, which basically uh, what actually does, after getting all this data from at eBay, we do so many calculation. Most of the calculation we do on n8n. These are the workflows, like calculate price at which we have to sell. We use SERP API for selling the for market research, searching the for market research for getting the market price. We use SERP API. Okay, and so we have four workflows. One is Newcraft, one is Easterns, one is Glow, and one is AIR workflow. Basically, what these four workflow does, it actually pushes the data on eBay store. So what are the job of n8n here? n8n job is to calculate the price, including the GST and all. So this workflow, this is very simple. I can show this one. This one is simple, that is why I'm showing you. So this basically get all the price data from Superbase, does the calculation and again update it. Okay, and other workflows I can't show them due to some confidential issues. So what they basically does, it calculates the sorry, this one gets all the data from eBay. Okay, so these workflows get all the data from eBay. This workflow pushes data back to eBay. So there are four like this. So that is the whole project. So that is the whole project end to end. So basically this project is mostly getting data from all the supplier website. Basically this project is all about getting data from supplier website, storing it to eBay, doing some market research, and then calculating again the price and then pushing it back to eBay store. So all this automation workflow is done on n8n.